if you're an African and you are looking for a remote jobs, an online survey that can pay you, then this video is for you. Now, what if I told you there is this apps that are paying Africans? Like, this video is specially meant for Africans, but other countries can actually watch it. But you see this video, it is mainly for Africans. Now, if you're an African, come closer. I have a good news for you. Now, if you have been looking for an online jobs, an online survey that can actually pay you, maybe you have been looking for a work online but you are not seeing any website, any legit website, calm down and watch this video till the end, because I'm going to show you these apps that are paying Africans. For disclaimers, this is not a quick make money video or channel, but an educational videos that give people tips on how to making money. So this is not a quick making money video or channel. So for those that are interested in making money genuinely by putting in the work, then don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, then hit that subscribe button because it is free of charge, and turn on your bell notification so that you get notified each time I drop an update like this. So I'm going to walk you through and show you these apps. Like, I'm not going to tell you the numbers of this app, but I'm going to show you. There might be 5, there might be 6, there might be 3, but I found these apps. Like, once you start investing in this app, guys, worry no more. Yes, you are going to be seeing an online jobs, a lot of things in those apps. Like, one thing I want you to know that once you join this app, before you join this app, make sure you make your own researches. Yes, and another thing I want to tell you is that there are a lot of jobs everywhere. There are a lot of online jobs on these internet spaces. But before you invest in one or two of these jobs, you need to make your research to know whether those apps are legit or scams. So you cannot believe exactly what you watch online, but you need to make your own research, because I also make my own research before I started making this video. Okay, so I'm not going to tell you whether it is real or fake, but you should find it yourself. But for me, these apps are legit. Okay, so I'm going to walk you through on the screen record and show you these apps so that you will go through the app. If it is something that you love to invest or something that you love to work with, then you can go. So let's just dive straight into the video. Come with me. The first app on our list here is Sagapoll. Yes, Sagapoll is one of an amazing app that pays African. Yes, so once you come on your Google, you type on Sagapoll, then you click on their first site. This is the first site. Okay, now the interface has opened. Now this is what Sagapoll look like. It says Sagapoll, the African survey apps that gives you a voice. Now Sagapoll is a paid survey app in Africa that gives you a voice. Make money online from home. Yes, you can actually make money from your home, from the comfort of your home or anywhere, just by answering a few questions. Guys, now can you imagine an app paying you only for you to answer a few questions, and it is free? Just signing in is free, you don't have to pay any money. Okay, now joining the growing community and discover why Sagapoll is the best survey app for Africans looking to earn money, earn rewards, and engage with brands. Okay, now how does our legit paid surveys app in Africa? Sagapoll connects you with a wide range of companies. Yes, they are going to connect you with different companies, different organizations, different brands. Like, those companies and organizations they are going to connect you with are always active across all the African continent. And for you looking for your views and opinion, like, these people are going to seek for your opinion. They are going to invite you. Yes, once you have a better chance with this Sagapoll, you are going to earn a lot. Yes, so for you to actually download this particular app, yes, you can actually download it. It's downloadable. You can go to your Google Play Store. Yes, so download the Sagapoll app, then create your account. Your creating account is free.
Then you fill your profile in order to receive surveys. Yes, you answer surveys, visit stores and earn some points there, and also share your referral code with friends, and both of you will earn extra points. Okay, and also you can redeem your points and make money from home. Now, did you see how this Sagapoll, like how you can benefit from this Sagapoll? Just download the app, create your account, fill in your profile, answer some survey question. You can share your referral links to friends, and once they also get referrals, you both will earn money. Okay, and also redeem it. So is Sagapoll legit? I know a lot of you will be asking, is this app legit, or is it at the end is all scam? Guys, that is why if you have been following me, I always tell you that any app that you have been introduced or any app you heard about, make sure that you make a research to know whether that app is legit or not, so that you will not fall in the victim or in the category of people that will say, hey, this app have scammed me after everything I've invested. Guys, you need to make your research. So now from what we are saying, they say that is Sagapoll legit. Now Sagapoll is the only survey app in Africa. Yes, and they have a certificate, like they are certified. As you can see it right here now, they are satisfied. Okay, Sagapoll is 100% legit, guys, and they are approved by Google and some trusted thousands of users across Africans like Kenya, a lot of them. Okay, now benefits of you using Sagapoll: once you reach your 5,000 points on this Sagapoll, you can redeem them via your mobile money, your bank transfer, or you can get them through your airtime top up just once you reach your 5,000 points. Okay, so this is all about Saga Points, and this is what their app looks like, guys. Now this is the most interesting part for you to know whether this Sagapoll is available in your country. Now this is, they say, where is Sagapoll available? Whether you are in Nigeria, you are in Kenya, you are in South Africa or Cameroon, Sagapoll connects you with a paid survey tailored to your preference, and it also helping you with your share your opinions and make an impact, unlike other surveys apps. Okay, Sagapoll is uniquely focused on African consumers. That is why this video is mainly for Africans, but other country can still watch it so that they can gain knowledge and maybe share to their friends that are in African country, and a lot of them. Okay, and this Sagapoll provide opportunities for you to earn rewards through activities like when you visit their stores, product scanning, and your daily pulls. Yes, so this is all about this Sagapoll. Can you see it? Now this is the different ways you can earn money with Sagapoll. Yes, complete your profile, store visit, refer friends, Sagapoll, and like a lot of things. These are the ways you can actually earn from this Sagapoll. Okay, so guys, go and try it and come back and let me know if you actually invest in this Sagapoll, or if actually you later have an opportunity to get paid, or to earn from this Sagapoll app as an African what creator. Okay, now that will now take us to the second one. Now the second one is Newspay. Yes, now you can see it at the first site here. So newspay.com. So Newspay is actually a mobile application that allows users to earn rewards and points by reading news articles and completing tasks on their devices. So now if you can actually download this Newspay from your Google Play, which is this. So in case you want to get it, you just click on this install, or you go directly to your Google Play and type Newspay, and you get the app directly on your phone. Okay, now but if you want to make use of their web browser, their website, you just type on Newsplay and click this one that says Newspay read and aim. You just click on it. Once you tap on it, it will not take you to their website. Okay, now can you see that it say start earning in minutes? enjoy cash reward today. So if you actually want to sign up, yes, you can sign up. Just click on this sign up. So now Newspay offers an innovative approach to earning rewards. Okay, so by engaging with articles on your mobile devices, this app is just simple. Just read the news, engage in articles, and you get paid in minutes. Okay, you just get paid in minutes. And the beautiful part is that this news pay has been into existence. It has been paying some Africans who has actually succeeded with them. It has been into existence since 2025. Yes, since 2025, on the 4th of August 2025. That was when it was initially added to the database. Okay, so now can you see a lot of articles here? Can you see the screenshots of a lot of articles? Like when you click it now, you're going to, okay, let me close. Okay, so now can you see the articles? Can you see, guys? Or just read only articles, answer questions, and you get your coins, you get your points. Yes, guys, just in minutes. This one is not even 2 days or 1 week. This one is daily rewards. Just log in. Once you log in daily, and you start winning free rewards and gift card. Okay, guys, now can you see? Can you see? This one is 150 coins. This one is 200. This one is 250, 300, 350. Just adding 50 points on top. Okay, now this is it. This is it, guys. So let's move over to another one. They say a new way to earn in Nigeria. So see how people are earning rewards for their opinions. Just bringing your opinion, answering questions, delivering your task. It is fun and easy and very, very simple. Okay, so now these are the related articles, like how people they are unlocking their financial earnings, and a lot of them. Yes, can you see, guys? So if you actually want to sign up with this app, you say 15 minutes to get your money from application to money in your account. No documents, no hassle, no waiting. Just up to 10,000 naira. You start. Yes. I don't think this one is actually necessary, but if you actually want to sign and follow this website, this app, just click on this sign up. Once you click on this sign up, it will take you to, okay, let me go up and click on sign up. So once you click on sign up, can you see paid surveys, earn money online? Guys, is it easy for you to get an app that is paying you online? You say, can you see, congratulations, we found a job for you. Guys, wow, this is so massive. Like, I love this. I really, really love this. This is so amazing. I love this. Okay, guys, so now once you click on apply now, then I think it should take you to another interface where you're going to apply. Yes, you say mapping the Nigerian label. Then what hourly pay are you targeting? Guys, can you see? So just follow through this amount, just follow through the process one after the other. Okay, just follow it consistently, and you are going to get the root of what you want. Okay, so this news pay is actually a good one, and yes, I would love to try it. Okay, this is how to earn with paid survey in just 3 easy steps. You started earning. The first thing is to sign up. Once you sign up, you answer and you get paid. Okay, so sign up and start earning from this new pay. Okay, so these are the two apps that I know that are paying Africans legitly. Yes, there might be other apps, but these are the two apps that are trusted, that are legit. Okay, so guys, go try it, and I will implore you to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on your bell notification so that you get notified each time I drop an amazing update like this. Okay, and again, I might not be dropping any of the link in the description or in the comments because of YouTube wahala. Okay guys, so anytime I drop an update and you didn't see the link, just know that I'm just running off from YouTube problem. Okay, so that they will not see it as scam. I'm trying to scam you guys. Okay, so just I'm teaching you guys about the app. Just go and try it, and don't forget to hit that bell notification so that you get notified each time I upload. And I'm going to see you on my next video. Bye, yeah.